There's another home available in Mussomeli, Sicily. This one-bedroom home is offered for €9,000. The lower floor has the dining room, living room, kitchen combined. That's another door for entrance, but it'll be nice in the summer to have that door open, that window open for a nice breeze coming through. It does come with some of the furnishings, about half of them. I know they're taking sentimental items with them. The main bathroom is on this floor. Now, this bathroom is, you'll see, there is some space in there, but over here, because of the angle of the stairs, you kind of have to sit in the shower to take a shower unless you flip-flop the shower and toilet around, which will be some work that you can do in the future. The floors are all in great condition. Leading up, you'll see the stairs are marble stairs. There's a little bit of work to be done on some areas on the wall, but not a lot. I will highlight an area upstairs that you do need to do some repair on the wall. This floor has a toilet and sink, which is nice and not having to go downstairs. Not room for a shower, though. The bedroom is nice and large and generous. That is a wall treatment on the back wall behind the kind of headboard area of the bed. And there is a storage closet here. Not sure that you could do much else with this. It's just access to the roof. There is no terrace or anything on the roof, but there is a nice balcony. And I'll show you in some pictures at the end how you can park on this street. It does have parking. There is this room. You can't really use it as a second bedroom, but it would be great to have as an office if you're working remote, or maybe a child's room. Right here, I'm going to slow it down. There was a pipe damage there that damaged the wall. The pipe's been fixed, but it just needs to have some fixing the wall. See this street right down? You're going to park halfway on the sidewalk, halfway off. Everyone does it. It's not a big deal, but it's nice to be able to park there. It's also easy because you can have deliveries there, no problem, and everyone can access the house, which when you're getting your house set up, you really want them to be able to deliver. There are 2 agencies in town, and this is offered by Mussomeli Sicily. I will put their contact information in this listing. Also, I'll update on YouTube if the house has been sold or if there is any other information on updates. We aren't agents. We just like to show houses available in Mussomeli, Sicily, where I now call home. If you like these kind of videos, give us a heart and we'll keep posting. If you have a second, check out our podcast on YouTube, The Amateurs Abroad.